Well, that fire in Port Alberni shows us just how tight the housing market is. For would-be buyers on Vancouver Island, it will be another year of demand outpacing supply. Property assessments are out and house prices continue to rise. The question is, will the bubble burst? Analysts we talked to don't think it will happen anytime soon. Here's our Bruce Kirkpatrick.
For sale, you see more of these today than a year ago, but still far too few to bring down housing prices. The real estate statistics for last year show an average Victoria home price $624,000. Prices rose 8.5% last year, and in the past 5 years, house prices have doubled. How long can this go on before the bubble bursts?
Well, unfortunately, we just become very much market-driven, so as long as people want to buy and they still see the value, I think that's what we're finding right now is that consumers are really confident. They're comfortable with what they find in the marketplace right now.
The Real Estate Board recorded sales of $4.1 billion in 2007, a record. And overall, real estate in the capital region is worth almost $84 billion with a B dollars. A couple of changes in the housing situation this year over last. There's no bidding wars anymore. A year ago, a house would be for sale for $500,000, and someone would come along and offer $550,000, and someone would come along and offer $580,000. That's no longer the case, although houses are generally selling for what they're listed for. And the inventory of homes available has gone up 10% this year. There's more available. Your house is for sale. Is it going to go fast?
It's been on the market for a little while. We listed before Christmas, which probably wasn't the best time, but I'm hoping it'll go this month, yes.
In all of this, the U.S. housing market is failing, even collapsing, some say. There's talk of recession in the United States. Do you think that's happening, and will it spill over into our housing market?
There's no question there's a slowdown in the American housing market, due principally to the subprime meltdown. But here in the Canadian housing markets, we're quite different, and we have different lending practices.
Are we safer?
We're much safer.
Both King and Tony Joe say home prices will probably rise another 4 to 6% this year, 2008, making it even more profitable for sellers and more difficult for buyers.